All right. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, June 29th. It is Vlog 117. I I missed yesterday because I just didn't feel like it. I guess that's my prerogative. But I'm still annotating like all the what I did these last days. But yesterday was just a Monday. I was in like a cleaning mode, and yeah, I just felt like doing that. And then by the time like evening came, I just didn't feel like filming. So it's all good. Life sometimes you just don't feel like it, right? But anyways, since Friday, I think I gave a Friday one. Yeah, Vlogs 116. Worked on sound tuning. Of course, yeah, I've been working on that sound tuning. But Saturday, this weekend was it was a good weekend because actually it was just chill. It's kind of weird time right now. I think I said this before. It just feels weird because we're like kind of out of well, the COVID's still going on, but we can. It's just weird. I can go to stores right now without a mask, and it just feels weird. Some people wear a mask, some people aren't. Stuff like that. But this weekend was pretty good though. Saturday, this Saturday is the second weekend that I do a lot of ukulele stuff, and this is the second time we've had a live ukulele social at Dave's Island Instruments, and Amy, Nikki, and Dean showed up, which was really cool. And we jammed, and they even played a song on the live show that I did that day too. So it was pretty cool. Actually, I rewatched it, and I was like, oh yeah, that turned out pretty good. So maybe we'll keep on doing that. That's kind of fun. And then yeah, that was a good time. Afterwards, we jammed a little bit more, but it's just fun to be able to play with people again in person. It's cool. Then I chilled out the rest of that. I had to go to, oh yeah, we went to Target. After that, actually when I got back, I was kind of tired. And then later on that afternoon, me and Carrie went to Target to go get Harlow a gift. And that was cool. And then we decided like, hey, we've been talking about this. We can go out now, and we did. And actually, we just kind of kept it local, and it was kind of cool. There's a place down here, just down the street. We just walked to it. It's called Panksa, and they have a Panksa Cocina, and they have a great just a nice chill bar, and they have great Mexican food there. It's pretty good. I had the pozole, which was awesome. And Carrie had a burger. And they have really good burgers too. So it's a good spot, and I like the bar. It has a really good atmosphere. It's just chill. And then so Panksa Casina. It's right here on Broadway in Belmont Heights. Really nice, and it's kind of cool. I felt like I was in Europe because we and Carrie were talking on our way there because we just walked over to the restaurant, and usually like when we're in Europe, that's how it works. Like we're going, hey, what do we want to do tonight? And then usually we find a restaurant, and it's usually in walking distance, and so we just go and walk there. It's pretty cool. I like it. And then Sunday, we had Harlow's birthday. We were kind of late that day. We won't talk about that. But finally got to Harlow's birthday. And actually it was really nice because we went to Chad's new house, and he lives in Lakewood now by Dave's Island Instruments. It's kind of cool. And so we went over there, and they got a new place. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's nice. It's perfect for them because they have the 2 girls plus the 3 girls, and so they needed the room. Plus the yard is cool, and it had like a sunken-in den and stuff. It was really cool. But it was so great to see my brother. We saw BJ and David also. And it's funny because I've been wanting to talk to David because I think he knew, like the book I read, Christine Stevens with the drum circles and stuff, and I had a feeling that David knew this. And it was hilarious. I go, Dave, I go, do you know who Christine Stevens? He goes, yeah. It's a friend of mine. I'm licensed, or he went through the course to be a instrument. I forget what he called it, but it was cool. And like I just go, and he knows her, and I was just like, oh my god, I have to get, yeah, because I've been wanting to like send her an email about like how inspirational her book was, and how, you know, what she's, you know, the teachings that she did, because it made sense. And that's where I got the 4 principles, was from this book right here. And I guess there's another book, I have to see what she references, but I'm gonna look in the index, and probably you do that. And then actually I need to read a little bit more on this also, so we shall see. But great book, Music Medicine, Christine Stevens. And this is what I'm basing all my kind of my stuff on. It just makes sense. Teachings, I guess, or what's it, words of wisdom or whatever. But let's see. So yeah, we went to Target, got the gift. Oh wait, Saturday. Oh yeah, we're on Sunday now. And chat. Yeah, I talked to David about that. It was cool, Christine Stevens, and he knew that. And it was cool because that day, like, I brought out the handpan, I brought my ukulele, but when I brought out the handpan, Dylan got all excited, and then we started playing, and I showed her how to play. And then my brother came over, Chad, and he played too, and they loved it. And then I just played a little bit, and David came over and we talked. It was cool. We get to play instruments, but they have like a cool chill house, and we were just hanging out. And oh my god, the newest member of the Tim Tams, Maisie, such a cutie doll. I can't believe I didn't take pictures. I think I was just so I think that's a good time when you don't take pictures. I don't know. But we didn't take pictures of the girls. Next time I'm over there, I'm gonna, because Dylan's so big right now. Oh my god. And then Harlow, she was just talking. Oh my gosh, she's 10. And then Maisie, just a baby. Baby. So cute though. She's the happiest baby in the world. So fun. But it was good. That's why it was a good weekend. I saw family, and it was nice. It was nice to hang out. And then Monday in the morning, we had an early chat. Some guy was asking about a handpan, and basically bought it. He was up north in Northern California, and I just talked to him on the chat, and he got a new satin, and or not satin, clarity, which I was just playing earlier. And then I got into a cleanup bug yesterday, so I basically cleaned up the whole house yesterday. It was pretty cool, as you can see. It's very nice. It's still nice. It only lasts for a couple of days, but it's very nice to have a clean house. It's funny. I remember, like, in the beginning of the year, if I look back on my vlog, I was talking about that. I think I was doing that earlier in the year. I was doing like spring cleaning. There's still like those little boxes. There's still stuff in there I need to clean out. So. Actually, today I ordered some new cubicle things, because I have under my desk, there's little box things, but they're open, so I want to use those. I got some storage things to fit in there, and then just to make it nice. And I'm kind of preparing my desk. I want to do like a review, because everybody's been asking me about like what gear should I get for anything. So I'm just going to show my desk and do a thing on what I have, and then I'll put links and all that other kind of stuff about what I have, because right now I think, especially for technology wise, it's so crazy. It's so, like, maybe 5 years ago it was so expensive, like and even 10 years ago it was really expensive to get into like video editing, or even like audio production and stuff like that, because one, the computers that you wanted or needed to do production are like really expensive, and that was like the big thing. And it was taking a lot. But because, like, for example, like this computer that I had, and I already talked about this this is a 2014 MacBook Pro 15-inch, very nice, fully loaded, 1 terabyte RAM, 2014 though. And up until this year, I've been editing on this guy right here, and this cost me like $3,500 at the time. And right now, I'm putting a list together of what I currently have, and I know this. I think it costs, everything I have right now in this desk setup right in front of me costs as really close or less than this was at 2014. So the barrier to entry to content creation or just having a cool desk setup is really nice right now, because the computer I have right now, which is the Mac M1 and Mac Mini M1, is pretty much faster than almost every single Mac computer there was, fully loaded, everything. And it's the base model in it. That's what's running my system right now, and it was less than half the price of my. It's so crazy. So I mean, I want to give, like, actually I already did a list, and then I'm gonna put down the prices, and you're gonna see how much it came out to. It's kind of cool. So I'll have that available for people. But yeah, that's cool. That's what I've been working on, and yeah, that's what and then I worked on Thinkific videos yesterday, and then, like I said, Monday I was just kind of like, yeah, it was like evening time, and actually I think the time is messing me up right now, because June 21st was the longest day, so the sun's been setting at like around almost 8 o'clock lately, so it's like weird. So I think my timing's off, so that's why I didn't feel like it yesterday. And then I just felt yesterday the need to clean up, and it's good. It's really good. But actually, I've been working on that stuff, the system, or my sound tuning or sound massage. There's some questions I came up with. When was the last time you listened to your heartbeat? It's kind of crazy. It's a good question. There's a lot of questions that I always come up with, and I think that's good to ask them. But that's all I have for me today. The rest of the day, I think I'm going to do a little bit more cleaning. I'm going to work on my sound tuning stuff. I think there's some videos I need to work on. I'm waiting for those things to come so I can clean up these cubicles that I have on the bottom, and it's going to make the underneath and I have more storage for all the crazy gear that I collect over the years. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's all I have for me today. It is June 29th. God, it's the end. July 4th is next weekend. Oh my gosh, crazy. We have another crazy weekend. Summer is here. I already did a tuning today, but it is June 29th, soon to be July, and this is Vlog 117, and that's all I have for me today. And like always, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah. All right, I will see you tomorrow.